Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a gadget that I've bought. We're going to open it up and have a look at it, and then in a few weeks time I'm going to come back and do a review on it. So if you're not already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of when I upload, because I do like to do reviews of things I buy. I think it's really useful, and sometimes it turns out that other people have been looking at these products and it's nice to have an honest opinion of what something's like. This is something I've bought with my own money. It wasn't gifted to me, it wasn't sent to me. I literally saw a deal and went for it. So without further ado, let's open this package and see what's inside. This has come out the first package. Now, I've been looking at these for quite some time and I'm in an ahhing about whether I should get one. What this is, it's a thermal printer, which I thought would be really useful for printing photos for journaling, scrapbooking, but also postage labels. So I'm really excited to open this up and have a look. There was a deal on Amazon over the weekend. These were £33 or something, and there was a voucher to get about £8 off, so it went down to about £25 or £26, and it's actually come with 2 packs of, I don't know if this is the sticker paper or thermal roll. I have bought some more and they're in the other bag, so we'll have a look at those in a minute. So I'm really excited to get this open and have a little look at it. You do have to download an app to go with this, but you just search PeriPage on your app store and it comes straight up. I have downloaded it. It's already on my phone, so I should be able to get using this as soon as we've finished this unboxing. So let me just get this packaging off and we'll have a look. What I liked about this printer was it says it has USB and Bluetooth connectivity, and that's really important for me because I don't want anything that uses the internet to connect to your phone and things. We don't have internet. I know that's going to sound really bizarre in this day and age, but we don't. It's a battle I've been fighting for many years, but I have to do everything off my phone on 4G, so the fact this was Bluetooth really appealed to me. It's a cute little box, very compact. Let's have a little look. They had various different colours. I just got the pink one because it's the one that came up on the offer. So when I looked yesterday when this was delivered, the offer was still on and it was on the other colours as well. So they had like red, black, I think there was blue and yellow maybe. I'll try and leave a link in the description box of this video in case anyone is wanting to check it out. Now, does this remind anyone else of a little teddy bear? Like there's its ears, its face and its nose. It definitely reminds me of a teddy bear. That's the box. We have instructions and we have the USB lead, which I'm guessing you probably need to charge it with. So I think that's really cute. It's nice and compact, so this would be easy to travel with. If it is good for journaling, I could easily put this in my bag and take it on holiday and then journal when I'm on holiday. That would please my husband no end, wouldn't it? Okay, let's have a look and see how we open up the back. So I've grabbed out the little instruction book. There's 3 pages of English instructions right at the beginning of the book, which is really handy. So I was just reading through those. This here is the power button, but also you press that twice to print the device connection QR code. So I'm guessing that's for setup. So I don't want to press this really until I'm ready to set it up. So we'll just go around and look at all the bits and what they do according to the instructions, I think. Obviously the USB goes in that bit there, and it does say that you can connect your phone charger to charge it, or your computer, so that's good. And the USB port can charge or connect to your computer for printing, so that's quite handy that you can put this end in your phone and connect it that way for printing. I quite like that. Then it talks about indicator status, which I won't bore you with. Then it talks about setting it up and scanning a QR code. I've already downloaded the app, so that's absolutely fine. Interestingly, it does say in the instructions, do not connect the printer in the mobile phone Bluetooth settings. So that's interesting because I'm sure it said Bluetooth, but anyway. I'll find out when I use it, and then I'll talk about all this when I do my review. It looks like you need to install some kind of driver and set it appropriately, but once you've done that, it looks like you can use it as a normal printer, or it will work with label software, so that's handy. Because if it is not good for journaling pictures, I will definitely be using this for postage labels. Then it's just talking about charge it fully for the first use, and then if you don't use it for a long time, charge it every 3 months to avoid long-term natural loss of the battery, which is a lithium battery. And it also talks about how you clean the printer head. It looks like you just use a cotton swab. So we all have those. That's handy. It's good that you don't need to buy anything else. And let's see if I can just open it up. So these arrows here, can you see? That's about how to open it up. Oh, it's already got, I don't want to open it fully now. It's already got, can you see? It's got a label roll in there already. So that's rather good. I'm actually going to close that and not fully open it, I think. But that opens really easily and goes back together easily, hopefully. Let's see. Try not to push this power button. If you have one of these, let me know what you think of it. Have you been happy with it? What do you use it for? Is it good for printing little photos? Or do you just use it for the labels? I think that's really cute. So as I say, I can see it's already got a roll of thermal tape in there. There's also these two thermal rolls, packs of 3, that came in the package. And let me show you what I bought separately. So this is what I bought separately. This is a pack of 3 sticker rolls. Let's have a look. They do kind of look the same as those, if I'm honest. So maybe all the rolls are self-adhesive. These were about £7, so the money I saved on this paid for these. So I basically got these free. Because I did think for putting little photos in my journal or for printing labels, definitely self-adhesive would be better. So I got the sticker rolls. There was quite a few different things to choose from when you're looking at the labels for these. So they had different coloured ones as well. I saw blue, red and green, I think, but I decided to stick with white for now. And then if I'm happy with this, I can always get coloured ones later on. So that's my new little gadget. That's the unboxing. As I say, I will come back in a few weeks' time and do a review on it once I've used it and know what I'm doing. I'm not sure I'll be able to show you how it works because, as I say, I have to do everything off my phone, which includes recording these videos. So I don't think I'll be able to show you it working, but I'll definitely give you a very honest review of what I think of it, the quality of the print, all that kind of stuff. So if you are thinking of getting one of these, definitely check back in a few weeks to see the review of this. What do you think? Do you think that looks like a teddy bear? I am absolutely convinced it does, and I'm kind of thinking it was part of the design. But I think it's dead cute. I'm definitely going to have to keep it away from the little one. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.